Are you starting to notice more fine lines than you would like? Or perhaps feeling a bit less vibrant than you used to? Well, what if the secret to turning back the clock was waiting for you right there in the produce aisle? Deep green vegetables are celebrated for their potent anti-aging, detoxifying, and cell repair properties. Because they're packed with antioxidants, phytonutrients, and vitamins, these vegetables not only protect against cellular damage, but also support youthful skin and overall health. In this presentation, we'll explore 7 powerful deep green vegetables that should be mainstays in any diet focused on longevity and vitality. Number 1. Kale. Kale is widely regarded as one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can find. It is exceptionally rich in essential vitamins, including vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K. These nutrients work together to support your body's functions, providing a solid foundation for health and vitality as you age. Consuming kale regularly is a simple yet powerful step toward meeting your daily nutritional needs and fighting the aging process from the inside out. Now, a primary anti-aging benefit of kale comes from its powerful antioxidants, such as lutein and zeaxanthin. These compounds are crucial for protecting your body's cells from oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to aging and chronic diseases. By neutralizing harmful free radicals, lutein and zeaxanthin help preserve cellular integrity throughout your body, leading to a more youthful appearance and better overall health. Furthermore, these antioxidants play a significant role in maintaining skin health and reducing inflammation. You see, chronic inflammation is a key driver of aging, and the compounds in kale help to soothe this internal fire. This contributes to clearer, more resilient skin, and can even help alleviate conditions linked to inflammation, such as joint pain. Kale's high concentration of vitamin K offers yet another remarkable benefit for healthy aging by promoting strong bones. This vitamin is essential for bone mineralization and helps regulate calcium, which is vital for preventing the age-related decline in bone density. Including kale in your diet can help safeguard your skeletal structure, keeping you active and mobile for years to come. Number 2. Spinach. Spinach is a true powerhouse for cellular protection and repair, largely due to its impressive content of beta-carotene, lutein, vitamin C, and magnesium. This combination of nutrients makes spinach a formidable opponent of the aging process. These elements work together to shield your cells from daily damage and support the natural repair mechanisms that are essential for maintaining youthfulness and vitality. The beta-carotene found in spinach is converted to vitamin A within the body, which is a crucial nutrient for both skin renewal and a robust immune function. Vitamin A helps accelerate cell turnover, revealing fresher, younger-looking skin, while also strengthening your body's defenses against illness. This dual-action benefit makes spinach an excellent food for both looking and feeling your best as you get older. Spinach is also packed with unique plant compounds that actively combat inflammation throughout the body. Since chronic inflammation accelerates the aging process, the phytonutrients in spinach can help calm this response. This protective effect may even extend to a cellular level, helping to maintain the length of telomeres, which are the protective caps on our chromosomes. And as you may know, longer telomeres are a well-established marker of cellular youthfulness. Number 3. Broccoli. Broccoli's significant anti-aging benefits are closely linked to its high levels of vitamin C. This vital nutrient is absolutely essential for the synthesis of collagen, which is the protein that gives skin its firmness and elasticity. As we age, collagen production naturally declines, leading to wrinkles and sagging. By providing a rich source of vitamin C, broccoli helps your body maintain its collagen levels, promoting skin that remains firm and youthful. This popular green vegetable is also a valuable source of vitamin K and calcium, two nutrients that work together to support excellent bone health. Maintaining bone density is a critical concern for seniors, and the nutritional profile of broccoli directly addresses this need. Consuming it regularly contributes to a stronger skeletal system, which reduces the risk of fractures and supports an active lifestyle. One of the most researched components of broccoli is sulforaphane, a powerful compound that has demonstrated impressive detoxifying and cell-repairing properties. Sulforaphane activates the body's natural detoxification enzymes, helping to eliminate harmful toxins and protect cells from damage. In addition, broccoli's lutein content is noted for supporting both eye and brain health as we age, safeguarding your vision and cognitive function. Number 4. Swiss chard. Swiss chard is loaded with a wide array of powerful antioxidants, including beta-carotene and various flavonoids. These compounds are your body's first line of defense against free radicals, which are the unstable molecules that cause cellular damage and accelerate the aging process. By neutralizing these harmful particles, the antioxidants in Swiss chard help protect your cells and maintain their healthy function over time. This leafy green is also defined by its high magnesium and potassium content, two minerals that are essential for proper muscle and nerve function. As we get older, maintaining muscle strength and nerve communication is vital for our mobility and overall quality of life. The minerals in Swiss chard support these critical systems, helping to prevent age-related decline and keep your body working smoothly. Furthermore, the abundant vitamin K found in Swiss chard contributes to both bone and cardiovascular health. It plays a key role in directing calcium to the bones while helping to prevent its buildup in the arteries. Swiss chard also aids in the body's natural detoxification processes, supporting the liver as it works to filter and eliminate toxins, which further reduces the burden of aging on your system. Number 5. Collard greens. Collard greens are an exceptionally rich source of several key anti-aging vitamins, including vitamin K, vitamin A, and vitamin C. They are also packed with folate, a B vitamin that is critical for long-term health. This impressive nutritional profile makes collard greens a fantastic addition to any diet focused on promoting longevity and vitality through whole foods. The folate in collard greens is particularly important for its role in deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA, synthesis and repair. This function directly supports healthy cell turnover and reduces the risk of age-related DNA damage, which is a fundamental aspect of the aging process. By ensuring your cells can replicate accurately, folate helps maintain the integrity of your body's tissues and organs over time. In addition to its vitamin content, the fiber in collard greens aids in healthy digestion and helps remove toxins from the body efficiently. A well-functioning digestive system is crucial for detoxification. At the same time, the unique phytonutrients found in collards act as powerful anti-inflammatories, helping to quell the chronic inflammation that can contribute to premature aging and disease. Number 6. Arugula. The distinctively peppery leaves of arugula are rich in compounds known as glucosinolates. Extensive research has linked these powerful phytonutrients to cancer prevention and enhanced detoxification processes within the body. When you chew arugula, these compounds are converted into isothiocyanates, which help neutralize carcinogens and support the liver in its vital role of clearing out harmful substances. This vibrant green is also an excellent source of vitamin K, which is essential for bone and cardiovascular health. Additionally, arugula is high in natural nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps to relax and widen blood vessels, which can help maintain healthy blood pressure and support robust circulation. Good circulation is crucial for delivering oxygen and nutrients to all of your body's cells, and that's a key factor in healthy aging. The impressive antioxidant content in arugula offers further protection for your skin and eyes against the daily assault of oxidative damage. These antioxidants help shield delicate tissues from the harmful effects of free radicals, which can lead to wrinkles, sun damage, and age-related eye conditions. Including arugula in your salads and meals is a tasty way to fortify your body's defenses. Number 7. Mustard greens. Mustard greens deliver a generous dose of vitamins C, E, and K, along with a host of essential minerals. This trio of vitamins works together to provide comprehensive antioxidant support. Vitamin C is crucial for collagen production and immune health, while vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant that protects cell membranes from damage, keeping them healthy and resilient against the effects of aging. The compounds found in mustard greens have demonstrated potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory activity. This powerful combination can help slow age-related decline by neutralizing the harmful free radicals that cause cellular damage throughout the body. By reducing chronic inflammation, these greens also help lower the risk of many age-related conditions, promoting a longer, healthier life. Furthermore, mustard greens provide targeted support for the liver's detoxification pathways. They contain phytonutrients that help enhance the body's ability to process and eliminate toxins, reducing the overall toxic load on your system. This cleansing action helps protect your cells and organs from long-term damage and may reduce the risk of developing chronic diseases that are often linked to inflammation. Other noteworthy deep green vegetables. Beyond the 7 powerhouse vegetables we've just highlighted, there are several others that offer similar and profound anti-aging benefits. Bok choy, for instance, is a type of Chinese cabbage that is rich in vitamins C and K, and it provides antioxidants that help protect cells from the damaging effects of oxidative stress. Its mild flavor and crisp texture make it a versatile addition to stir-fries and soups, offering an easy way to boost your nutrient intake. Then there are dandelion greens, often overlooked as common weeds, but they are nutritional treasures packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron and calcium. They are particularly known for their ability to support liver health and promote detoxification, which is essential for clearing out cellular waste and maintaining vitality. Their slightly bitter taste can be a wonderful addition to salads or sautéed dishes. Watercress is another potent green, celebrated for its high antioxidant content and unique phytonutrients that have been linked to DNA protection. This peppery green supports the body's natural defense systems and promotes healthy aging through various mechanisms, including enhancing detoxification pathways and reducing inflammation. How deep green vegetables detox and repair cells. So how do they do all this? Well, these remarkable vegetables are particularly effective in supporting detoxification due to their high fiber content. Fiber is instrumental in promoting healthy digestion and ensuring the regular elimination of toxins through the digestive tract. This process prevents harmful substances from lingering in your body, where they could otherwise contribute to cellular damage and inflammation. The abundance of antioxidants found in deep green vegetables is also central to their anti-aging power. These compounds, including vitamins C and E, beta-carotene, and lutein, actively seek out and neutralize free radicals. Since these unstable molecules are a primary cause of DNA damage, by neutralizing them, antioxidants directly support your body's ability to repair its cells and maintain its youthful function. And on top of that, specific compounds, such as sulforaphane in cruciferous greens like broccoli and glucosinolates in arugula, provide an even greater boost. They enhance the body's natural detoxification pathways, particularly in the liver, and promote healthy cell turnover. This helps ensure that old, damaged cells are replaced with new, healthy ones, which effectively reduces inflammation and slows the aging process at a cellular level. Incorporating a variety of deep green vegetables into your daily meals is truly one of the most effective strategies for fighting the aging process. These foods are essential allies, promoting powerful detoxification and supporting cellular renewal from within. Including these nutrient-rich plants in your diet can help preserve youthfulness, protect your long-term health, and keep you feeling vibrant as you age. Did you find this information about anti-aging superfoods useful? If so, please feel free to share this presentation with your friends and family. You can also subscribe for more science-backed health tips, or leave a comment below to tell us your favorite green vegetable and how you enjoy preparing it in your meals.